Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Orange Abraham. So today we'll see HTML commands. So commands is nothing but it is a statement which is not displayed on the browser window. So the command tag is used to insert a command in the HTML code. It is a good practice of coding so that coder and the reader can get help to understand the code easily. So it is helpful to understand the complex source code as well. So the command tag is useful during the debugging of codes and search for the errors. So it is a simple piece of code that we can ignore by the that is ignored by the web browser, that is not displayed by the browser window. So this is a syntax. So note there is an exclamation point in the start tag but not in the end tag. So this is a type of HTML command like a single line command and the multiple line command. So this is a syntax for the multiple line command and the single line command. So commands are visible to anyone that views a page source code but are not rendered when the HTML file is rendered by the browser. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and don't forget to like and share and click on the bell icon buttons. Bye bye.